for the lovely Super Motel 8. Yeah, there was not really a good turn here for cyclists. There we go. Yeah, there's a libation store. Oh, gosh. We are here. Yes, we are. Hello.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
I did a pre-arrival check-in.
Oh, yeah, where's me?
Piercinski. Dom Piercinski. Dom Piercinski.
Okay.
How are you?
Good,
Ireneusz Piercinski.
sir.
My name.
Get ID.
Sure.
Are you blogger?
Hmm?
Are you blogger?
Yeah, I do a YouTube channel
Uh-huh.
on riding bicycles on long trips, touring trips. So
Oh, yeah?
this week I'm touring from Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
I'm touring from St. Louis to Chicago
Oh,
on a bicycle. So check it out. It's Jungle Harry. If you get a chance to. And I'll give a good review to your hotel. And one day you'll say, hey, I had a famous YouTuber in the house. Like John Wayne.
darling. Okay, give me your YouTube channel. I'm scared.
Jungle Harry.
Jungle Head.
Yeah, it's about riding bicycle, you know.
Can you write down for me?
Healthy, and then I do it for the children's cancer research.
Yeah.
You know, St. Jude's Hospital. So jungle, the Amazon jungle, and Harry,
Okay.
like Prince Harry.
Yeah. Jungle Head.
Jungle Harry, like Harry Potter.
Okay.
But
Thank you. I just searched
What-
and you see a lot. I'm so many times. Let me.
that's for me or for you?
No, this is for me. So
Yeah.
I'm scared. Yes.
And yeah, I watch many good YouTubers, you know, and every day like you learn something, but you know the production has to be very professional. I just do natural content,
Yep.
you know, nothing edited, and just regular content, regular life. Most YouTubers, they don't.
And I have a question. How to face weather?
Hmm?
How do you face the weather? Like It's weather, like it's like very cold outside. So what?
You have to wear a mask. You know, you wear mask, helmet, and sometimes when it's like on Wednesday it was only 26. So I was cycling, so I had like 3 layers, but very thin. You know, very thin.
Okay.
And also you have to mentally, you know, physically, mentally you have to be strong. And that's for me. That's why I do it twice a year, because for me it's like a mental discipline. You have to be very strong to continue, because it's cold. It's very cold.
Yeah, very cold.
You know,
So,
your feet are like almost frozen. You know, your bum, it hurts much. You almost want to have the doctor surgically remove your balls because they hurt. But it's just like a passion and a discipline. You know. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'll see you in a bit.
See you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So, we got room 101. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about it. All right, so we're right here. We're right here. Nice. Oh, I only have 2 hands. Hey, how you doing, brother? Almost, I got it. You're good. Thank you. All right. Phew. Oh. All right, guys. So I think, yeah, this is a busy one. This is a busy hotel here. And we have found that the light does not want to work. That's the entrance light. Well, at least the little boy's room. Oh, and we got a queen size bed in this one. So we got like a little bit of a light problem in this one. Let's see if are there any other switches? Because yeah, guys, I don't think you guys can see me at all. Oh, here's some switches. All right, so at least that back one lights up, but it sucks. Oh yeah, so we got a little bed stand, a lamp that replaced another lamp. All right, guys, we got a microwave. We got a fridge, and the fridge is on, and the fridge is on.